you notice na nung individual teams tayo, di masyadong malakas. Pero pag all together, malakas na. And that's the point of our gathering today so that we can do a team building. The most important thing for all of us to remember is that pagsama-sama tayo, papunta sa isang goal, okay, makakarating tayo. So kahit merong medyo mahina, may mas malakas, ganyan, diba? Sama-sama tayo. Everybody has their own circumstance. Minsan okay ka, minsan hindi ka okay. Diba? Pero yung mga kasama mo, kasama natin sa trabaho, diba? Nagtutulong-tulungan tayo. So, whatever your circumstance, they've got your back. Right? So today, we're going to practice those skills. Okay, hindi lang muscle, hindi lang brains, together, okay, sportsmanship, and of course, building the team. Because we're going to be building you stronger, we're letting you work together so that we can see our 75th, 80th, 85th, diba? So, Team Aguila! Team Aguila! Alright, have fun and enjoy! Cooperation is needed from each one of you para ma-reach yung goal nyo. This is the time rin na magpo-connect kayo, magbaband kayo, magka-trust kayo sa isa't isa. Chance yun to find out sino sa team nyo yung magaling sa certain skills. Siyempre hindi lahat pare-pareho. Pero ang importante is you should be able to bring out the best in each one para yung teamwork mag-work siya. Luck na lang to all of you and do your best and you have this. Diba? So enjoyin nyo lang.
Aguila Class number 1.
Aguila Auto Glass number 1. Aguila Auto Glass number 1. Aguila Auto Glass number 1. Number 1.
I also want to greet everybody. Happy anniversary and congratulations. All the best in 2025. Congratulations sa mga nanalo. Congratulations sa mga naligo. So sana nag-enjoy lahat. So everybody please take care and enjoy. Thank you.